What's going on? It's Chris from LifterLMS coming at you on Cyber Monday. I hope you had a great weekend and are off to a good start this week. Today is the second to last day of the LifterLMS Black Friday All November sale. So if you're going to move on that, either to start with LifterLMS, switch to LifterLMS, or if you're already a customer to upgrade to a bigger bundle or 3-year extension, now is the time to move. We've got about 24 hours left on our sale. But basically, all you need to do is go to the LifterLMS pricing page and choose either one of our individual 22 single add-ons or get access to some of them in the Universe bundle or all of them in the Infinity bundle. Just select what you want to buy, and then over here on the checkout page, just enter your coupon code right here. It's just Black Friday 21 and hit apply coupon, and you can see that that takes 20% off. So that's all there is to it. If you're ready to invest in the world's best learning management system for WordPress, so go check that out. Not only do you get a great discount though, you also get $2,000 worth of bonuses if you make your purchase today or tomorrow. And so just to go over what those bonuses are, we have an online education company startup checklist, which basically goes over all the key things you have to set up that people don't even think about so that you can be successful with your learning or your education company. The next thing we have is access to our training course called the YouTube Traffic System, which shows you how to get leads on an ongoing basis from YouTube by only making 4 specific videos, exactly how to strategize about that, exactly what to create. You also get access to a special customer-only office hours mastermind event. This is typically something that we save for our Infinity Bundle customers. If you do buy the Infinity Bundle, you get access to a call like this every week. We have people that have been coming to these calls for years, get a ton of value, connect with other education entrepreneurs and WordPress professionals. It's an awesome call. But no matter what you purchase, even if you don't get the Infinity Bundle, you're gonna get access to an office hours mastermind event call. And then you're also going to get access to a strategy call that I run where you just come with whatever your biggest challenge or problem is. One of the things where I can add the most value personally is I'm a strategic thinker. I've been in this industry for over a decade. I've seen the patterns of what works, what doesn't. I'm a lifelong learner. And basically I can focus my strategy brain on whatever your biggest challenge or opportunity is. So you get access to a call where we do that. And then we also have some bonus certificate background images and achievement badge sets to further gamify your LMS platform. So that's it. It is Cyber Monday. Tomorrow, Tuesday, is November 30th. That's the last day of our Black Friday All November sale. So if you're going to take action, do it today or do it before tomorrow ends. So I'm Chris Badgett from LifterLMS, CEO and co-founder. Thanks for checking out this video. I know you're probably getting a lot of Black Friday, Cyber Monday communications and offers. So we'll be back to our regularly scheduled programming here shortly. So thanks for checking out one more video about Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Wishing you all the best. My mission is my life mission, which is to lift up others through education. It's great to be with you on the journey. Take care.